This is an updated video where I'm going to demonstrate how far Windows 2000 can go in 2026 using both official and unofficial software. This is an experiment. Windows 2000 is an extremely outdated operating system, so it can't run most modern software natively or browse the internet safely. I'm using Windows 2000 with Service Pack 4 installed for this video. These are the essentials that I'm going to install: 7-zip, .NET Framework 2.0, Microsoft Visual C++ 2008, Internet Explorer 6, and Legacy Update. Internet Explorer 6 is recommended for Legacy Update to work correctly on Windows 2000. Legacy Update will allow you to check and install all available updates for Windows 2000. I'm going to install these 4 web browsers: Opera 12, Firefox 12, Chameleon 74, and Retrozilla 2.3. Opera can display the Google search page, but cannot load the HTML5 test page that I usually use to view the browser's score. Firefox cannot load neither of the previously mentioned web pages. Chameleon had the best result. It could load the Google search page and the HTML5 test web page. Retrozilla also could load the HTML5 test web page, but it's broken with a very low score. For Office editors, I'm going to install LibreOffice 3.6 and OpenOffice 4.0. LibreOffice comes with document, spreadsheet, presentation, draw, math formula, and database editors. OpenOffice also comes with document, spreadsheet, presentation, draw, math formula, and database editors. This is Notepad++ version 6.6.4, which is one of the latest compatible versions for Windows 2000. VLC can be installed on Windows 2000. Version 1.1.11 is compatible and will run directly. This is GIMP or GNU Image Manipulation Program, an Adobe Photoshop alternative that offers similar pro-level image editing tools. GIMP version 2.6 will launch and run natively. That's pretty much it for Windows 2000. It's a 26-year-old operating system at this point, and you can't do much with it anymore.